Hi, my name is Gail Hoffman from North Reddington Beach, Florida, and on behalf of ExpertVillage, I'm going to show you how to make Mole Poblano Sauce. Okay, we're going to need to chop one medium onion, and a good way to chop onion is to cut it in half, and then cut into slices, and then turn, and then cut into dices. Always tucking your fingers in. And for the garlic, break it out of its skin. You can take the flat side of your knife and push down, and that cracks it open, and then you can pull away the skin, and you're left with the garlic. And we're just going to kind of coarsely chop that.